Just a quick video on how to replace the feet on a Dell desktop. The desktop in this case is a Dell Precision T5600, but this will apply to most Optiplexes and some Inspirons and Dell XPSs depending on the foot design. So you'll notice here there's an open slot because, well, one of the feet disappeared, which is really common because usually what happens is if people like slide these around, all you have to do is kind of put some side-to-side motion on them and they'll just come loose and come out like that. But to install one, you'll notice there's this wider opening here, and you'll kind of take the foot, fish it down at an angle because there's a gap between the bottom of the foot and the top where the case goes through. You'll push it through at an angle like that though, and then just kind of feed it through by pushing on the back, and then it should just seat into place. If it doesn't seat into place, like let's say it's sitting proud like that and crooked, you may have to back it out and then kind of push down on it again with your thumb. And then if it still doesn't want to go in, see how like there's a little bit hanging out there? If you push it in extra hard past that opening, and then you kind of wiggle it back into place, that'll seat it properly. One thing worth noting, depending on the model, the Dell Precisions have the same opening size for the foot, but the thickness of them is a little bit thicker than the Optiplex. So if you're missing one of the feet on your Precision, you're going to want to buy a set of 4 and replace all 4 of them so they're all the same height. But hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.